Hello, my name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses. Then I will answer the question of speak I improve. Part 1, question 1.
What's your name?
My name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses.
How do you spell your family name?
Marin.
Where are you from?
I am from East Bogota.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
In this moment, I'm studying and working.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I am very interested since I want to leave the country and see new places.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I enjoy my free time sharing with family.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
My best way to improve my English is practice with some same film in English and all the days learning were new.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
A skill that would really like to learn is negotiation since I love knowing everything related to business and the sale of a product or service.